أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start Surah At-Takasur Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English and similarly Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so please subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. And now inshallah we start this surah. So I will read first, you listen carefully and then try yourself. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم Surah At-Takasur Makkiyah Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim Alhaakumut Takasur. Here ha we long due to standing fatha on it. Kumut taka, kaf we read in light sound, kaf we long also due to alif madda is there, and when we stop here this ra will be in heavy sound. So we say sur, takasur, alhaakumut takasur, alhaakumut, alha, so only ha you will long. Alhaakumut takasur hatta zurtumul maqabir hatta, there is standing fatha on the ta, we long here. Zur, za we read in hard sound, and then there is ra which is coming with the sukoon sign on it, and there is dhamma on the before letter, so this ra will be bold. So we say zur tumul maqa. This qaf also we read in heavy sound, and there is alif madda, we long here 1 second. Bir, and this ra will be in light sound because the rule is when ra comes with sukoon sign on it, and if there is kasra under the before letter, at that time ra will be in light sound. So that's why this is bir. No, you cannot say bir. That's why this ra is in black color right now. So we say hatta zurtumul maqabir, hatta zurtumul maqabir, kalla sawfa ta'lamun. Here kalla, kaf read in light sound, la we long due to alif madda. Sawfa, this is vowleen, we read softly. Ta'lamun, ain read in soft sound, and this will be the tawassut quality here in the ain. That's why we say ta'lamun. Waw madda is there, waw is coming with sukoon sign, and there is dhamma on the before letter, and when we stop on this place, so it will be madde aris, which we long 2 to 3 seconds. So we say kalla sawfa ta'lamun, kalla sawfa ta'lamun, summa kalla sawfa ta'lamun. Summa, on the meme there is a shad sign, we make a gunna sound here. Kalla, kaf similarly light. La we long due to alif madda. Saw we read softly here. Ta'lamun, again waw madda is there, and if we stop then it will be madde aris, so we long 2 to 3 seconds. So we say ثم كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين On the kalla, again kaf read in light sound, la we long due to alif madda, law. Here is waw lean, we read softly, ta'lamuna, mu we long due to waw madda, ilm al yaqeen. Here is qaf which we read in heavy sound, there is ya madda, that's why we are longing qeen, and it will be madde ariz. So we say, كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم لترى ra we read in heavy sound. Wun, again we make gunna sound on the noon. Noon is coming with shadda sign. Jahim, ha sound read clearly from the middle of the throat, and we long this he due to ya madda, and if we stop it will be madda aris. So we say la tarawun al jahim, la tarawun al jahim. ثم لترونها عين اليقين Summa, again we read this meme with gunna. Lata ra we read in heavy sound. Wunna, again noon is coming with shadda sign, we make gunna sound. Ha we long due to alif madda. Ain al I we read softly here because there is yalin, ya is coming with sukun sign, and there is fatha before, we read softly. Ain al yaqeen, qaf we read in heavy sound, and when we stop here it will be madde aris. So we say ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم Summa, again we read gunna sound here. Latus'alunna, again here is gunna. Yawma, yaw we read in softly. Yawma idhin anin. After the tanween which is under the zal, there is ain letter coming. We make izhar here like we read the clear sound of noon. So we say Yawma idhin anin, dhin anin, Yawma idhin anin. On the noon again gunna, aim we long due to ya madda, and if we stop it will be madde aris. So we say ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. And now I repeat all this surah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. So this is today's lesson. I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question regarding this surah, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button, share with your friends. See you inshallah in the next class. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.